you're a course creator and you're using MailChimp to send email, now's the time to move to high level. You can actually import your MailChimp templates directly into our system. Now, I know you might have some beautiful templates on MailChimp and you're hesitant about moving, or maybe you're an agency owner and your clients don't want to move these amazing templates that they've taken years to build up over on MailChimp. I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily import those templates to high level so that you can start using high level for your main email sending. Let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, so you're going to want to be on the sub account level. On the left hand side, we're just going to go ahead and click on marketing. Once you click on marketing, go to the top and click on emails. Once inside of email marketing, you'll see statistics, campaigns, and templates. Let's go ahead and click on templates. Once you've clicked on templates, all you have to do is click this plus new button to the far right, and you're going to see an option to import email. Let's go ahead and select that. Then you have the option to import from MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, Kajabi, and others. We're going to go ahead and select MailChimp. Now, head on over to MailChimp. When you're inside of MailChimp, you'll go ahead and look at your campaigns. Once you have a campaign, even if it's in draft mode, you can go ahead to the far right under Actions and just go ahead and view that email. So once you select View Email, it'll open up in a browser. All you're going to do is grab the link in the URL, copy it, head back over to high level, and then right here where it says URL, we're just going to copy and paste that link. You'll notice that that template will now populate. You'll see a visual representation of that. You can go ahead and name your template and go ahead and select Create Template. Now you'll see that your template will be importing directly into high level. Look at this. How easy is that? I also want to point out on the right-hand side, you can actually go ahead and give feedback. Did the import meet your expectations? We're going to go ahead and say yes. So feel free to provide feedback as well when you import your template. You can make any changes you would wish to make here using the builder, and then you can go ahead and just save that template. So go ahead and start migrating your templates over from MailChimp or migrating your clients' templates right on over. Our platform here at High Level simplifies the migration process. Go ahead and get started.